Making your website accessible can boost your organic traffic by an average of 37%. Google's latest algorithm update has made it official. Accessibility is a massive piece of the SEO puzzle and a confirmed ranking factor. For years, we talked about the connection, but now we have the data. Sites that invested in accessibility are seeing huge rewards. So, how does this even work? It's actually pretty simple. When a website is easy for a screen reader to navigate, it's also a dream for a Google bot to crawl and index. They both love clean code, a logical structure, and a good user experience. Think about Google's core web vitals, those metrics for speed and stability. An accessible site, with its clean HTML and optimized images, naturally loads faster. Predictable navigation, a must for accessibility, also improves your layout shift score. You're basically hitting two targets with one shot. Many technical SEO best practices are also accessibility requirements. Writing descriptive alt text for images helps visually impaired users and tells Google what your images are about. Using proper headings like H1s and H2s creates a clear outline for both screen readers and search engine crawlers. Ultimately, this all improves user experience signals. Accessible sites often have lower bounce rates because people can actually find what they need and aren't hitting dead ends. They stay on your pages longer, which tells Google your content is valuable. The takeaway is clear. When you focus on making your website better and more inclusive for people, you also make it better for search engines. It's not just the right thing to do, it's one of the smartest SEO strategies you can use.